Hey sharp minds, welcome back to Think Sharp Ali. Today, even the shaded region will get the spotlight. Let's find out if it's hiding any secret or not. Let's go. In the given figure, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, the length of whose side is equal to 10 cm. And triangle DBC is right angled at D, and BD is equal to 8 cm. So what will be the area of the shaded region? First, we'll find out the area of the equilateral triangle we have over here. And for finding out the area of equilateral triangle, we have the formula root 3 by 4 into side square. So let us calculate the area of triangle ABC first. So root 3 by 4 into 10. 10 is the side of the equilateral triangle. Now 10 square is 100. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So area of triangle ABC is 25 root 3 centimeter square. Now let us use the value of root 3, which is equal to 1.732, and let's multiply 1.732 by 25 and we get 43.3 centimeter square as the area of triangle ABC. Now triangle BDC is right angle triangle where BC is the hypotenuse as it is opposite to 90 degree. So we will use Pythagoras theorem to find out the side DC. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So base square will be equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. That is 10 square minus 8 square. 10 square is 100, 8 square is 64. So 100 minus 64 is 36. Therefore, DC is equal to square root of 36, which is 6. Now once we have got the value of DC, we can find out area of triangle BDC by half into base into height. Let's consider this to be base and this to be the height, not hypotenuse. So which is half into 6 into 8, and we do the cancellation next. So we get 3 into 8, that is 24 centimeter square, right? Now we can easily find out the area of the shaded region. That is area of the big triangle, which is this, minus area of that small triangle, which is this. And there you go, 19.3 centimeter square. So the shaded region is no longer a mystery. See you in the next video with more such problem solving fun.